What's going on, guys? F32 Big here. I'm back again with another video. If you watched my first video that I filmed, it's for a red stop-start button. You would have seen that it didn't fit, ironically, being my first video, first mod. So yeah, as stated in that video, I would go out and buy another one. So this is the one I've actually got. It cost £5. I got it off a seller on eBay. I'll put the link in the description. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to install it and show you guys the finished product as well. So just for reference, this is what the original one looks like. You can see the black residue from that sticky stuff that I used to pop it off before. But yeah, you're going to see a significant difference once the red one's installed. So guys, I've got the red button here. It looks a lot better. What I suggest you do is pull your wheel up as much as you can and as close to you as you can, so you've got more space to actually yank it off. And as you can see there, I've got that sticky stuff on, ready to pull the button off. Best thing to do with that is put it on, leave it on there for around a minute so it just sticks properly, and then what you want to do is, try it now, Jesus, yank it out, and you can see that here. And now it's just for the install. So literally just get your button. You'll see these two clips on the end. What you'll do is just slot it in there, and you can line that up as well. So it's just like that, and there it is. You'll hear the click as well, and that's imperfect. So I'll just give you an example, and that's the car started. Yeah, it looks so much better, and it's going to go with the theme that I'm going to go through for this car. I think I'll run through that on another video, just talking about what I've done to the car already, what I'm planning to do. But yeah, if you did like that, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching, guys.